Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact car model and current map version shown in the infotainment settings. This determines the only compatible update file. Once done, insert the correct SD card into your PC's card reader and verify free space and format, FAT32 or XFAT as required. Make sure the car battery is charged or a maintainer is connected so the system won't die mid-update. You'll now download or access the authorized map package tied to your VIN or account. You will extract the authorized map package and preserve the original folder structure exactly as delivered. The system relies on that layout. Then copy all files to the SD card root, not into a new folder, and monitor the transfer. Large files can take 10-60 minutes. Once the copy completes, verify file sizes or checksums if available, and use the operating system's eject command before removing the card. Now you're ready to return the card to the vehicle and begin the install process. You insert the SD card into the vehicle slot and set the ignition to ACC or on as the manual specifies. The system will detect the update automatically. Follow on-screen prompts and do not interrupt power. Updates may require several reboots and pressure on reboot prompts. After completion, confirm new map version in settings and restore any personalized navigation preferences. If the update fails, recheck card format, folder layout, and that the package matches your VIN. Recopy files to a fresh SD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.